All right, so the next technique to get out of the kazakatame position, maybe the person doesn't have a jacket on or a gi. All right, so I have to do something else instead. I can't just push on this. So instead what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hug around the loose rib. I'm gonna try and find the rib of Liv, all right, just so I keep her in place. All right, now what I'm gonna do with my feet is I'm gonna hip into her, so her weight goes above my hips, and I keep hipping in. Now I've got 2 hands locked. I'm gonna turn my knees the other way. So my knees are now facing her. I'm gonna turn my knees facing the other way, and up on top. Give me the weight up. My knees are facing the same direction. Turn them the other way.